boat home yesterday. Getting ready to go out on the lake here in just a moment. Got a control motor. One of them seats. Live well. Radio. Bolster seat. 175 Pro XS. 10-foot power poles. Backup lights. Got a night light right here that flips up. You don't have to worry about putting a pole in. I do have places for my fish eye. One in front and one in back. Storage. Look at this. Check this out. Friction hinges. More storage. Getting ready to put my Navionics Plus maps on. Rod locker goes all the way to the front. Garmin Ultra 2 here. Merc. Radio. Power pole controls. Rod holders. 27-gallon gas tank. Got a seat right here. I can sit down, or I can lean up against it. Drive. Bob jack plate. Kill switch. Little day boxes up here. Garmin 57-inch, probably could have went with a 52-inch Garmin. Another Ultra 2 up here. Got stomp switches for my power poles. Removable tray. Got my stuff here ready for shell crackers. I'm sweating. Another rod box over here. Doors there. Cooler here. Insulated cooler will drain out. Big live well for shell crackers. Got a plug in it. I can put this up. Get extra cushions when people will sit right here. Extra cushy here. Cushy here. Plenty of room down here. Batteries. Gas tank. Water cut off. Power pole pumps. Lots of room. Let's see. Millennium seats. I love those Millennium seats. Tennessee tandem axle trailer. with brakes. Oil hubs. Bathing hubs, I think, whatever you call them, I don't know. Anyway, went over to ours, got a cover, got the wheel cover, got a complete cover, got a motor cover, got power pole covers. Don't know about the straps. I'm going to get rid of these. GT56 transducer. Got two live well, or two drain plugs. One over here, one over there. Anyway, that is all.